Hey, how's it going, BuildForce? Yes, I'm Jeff, this is Paul. Wait, why is the camera? There you go.
There we go.
Yeah, we're Gunpla SA.
Yay!
So, yeah, at another build meet down there.
Happening down there.
But yeah, we want to showcase some of our new builds from the new recent build.
Yes, we're very excited about this. Should we start at the top and go down?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as you guys may or may not know, we recently did a BuildOff, which was local is lekker.
Yeah, and that was the theme.
You guys stepped up and you made sure that local was lekker. So, yeah, let's get into it quickly.
Yeah.
I don't want to waste people's time. Let's jump in here.
Yeah, there's a few in here. There's some that we're still waiting for from the guys from Cape Town, but yeah, we'll have them in here soon. But the ones that we have here, yeah, we've got the Brybot. What is it called again? I can't remember.
I can't remember either.
Yeah.
But
yeah, it was,
like, just check out this
juicy
juicy detail. So, guys, this stuff was all scratch built. This is not like a generator kit or something that was bought or whatever, or a bright kit. This was scratch built. That means he made it by hand from junk
resin,
parts and things.
And also like the generator, the top cover. So Hansi used, or Fluffy, used the sauce container from McDonald's,
That's clever.
Chicken McNugget sauce. Yeah, for that. And then the generator part was like from a
toothpaste cap.
Toothpaste cap. Yeah, so yeah, very clever, hey?
Lots of cool stuff, but also very relatable. At least to me, it's very relatable. And I just want to showcase, check out the coals in the bri, if you can get them in there. Yeah, they are so beautifully executed. Yeah. And then another fantastic build right next to it is the stuck on the side of the road because of a pothole, something that a lot of South Africans are familiar with. But also a nice little Karua kind of feel here, which we really loved as well. Not a Mecca feeling thing, but a beautifully executed model
like South African theme, you know?
Yeah. So just to show you guys, local is lekker. And then we got this
Zaku.
Yeah, which is I'm sure a lot of you guys can pick up. It's got a bit of a JMPD flavor, not just because it's JMPD colors, but because it's not having a good day.
Sure.
It needs a Fanta. Anyway, but it's a beautiful kit. And sorry dude, I just want to just showcase that just a little bit. Guys, it's a beautiful kit. Please, when you come pop into the store, come check out all of these, okay? Sweet.
We've got the most beloved Vuvuzelas.
Yeah, the Vuvuzeta, I think is what he called it.
Vuvuzeta, yeah.
Yeah, and I thought this was one of the most creative builds that we've had in the entirety of Gunpla SA.
Yeah, it's so fitting for the Zeta Gundam.
Yeah.
You know, it's got that kind of got that shape already.
And also like very well considered like design with everything and the little like ceramic heat plates and all that. It's just a lot going on there.
Atmospheric re-entry.
Yes. And then we have this one as well, which is like a guardian.
Protector of the South, I think.
Yes. Yeah. And we thought this was like really interesting as well because it's just such a left field take. It kind of educated us. Yeah. And shows you guys, it's not always about like doing this incredibly complex paint job. Sometimes it's just about executing a really good idea.
Exactly. Yeah.
But yeah, like that's been a lot of me talking. Jeff, some thoughts that you want to throw in
I'm really
here,
proud
man?
of everybody's stuff. Obviously, there's a few more builds that we are expecting soon. So yeah, looking forward to seeing those in person as well. Yeah,
man, we've just been blown away. And also, Jeff and I recently did Arc 1, which was an anime-focused mini convention. It's not fair to call it a mini convention, but it was a convention and it was a lot of fun. We had a good one. So to the guys at Arc 1, thank you for having us.
Yeah.
And for everybody that came to visit and came to build with us, that was really super.
Yeah, that was really awesome.
That was super cool of you.
And obviously just to sign off, regarding our next build-offs, we've got the championship coming probably next month's time. So hopefully these have inspired you guys a little bit. Get your creative juice flowing. So the next one is going to be the final one for the year. It's the championship.
Big prizes, big excitement, people bringing their A game.
Yes.
A little bit of a pro tip for you guys.
Start now.
Start now. If you guys want to get what the rules are like, maybe you can find the old rules.
Yeah, the last year's championship, and then that should be quite similar.
That will still apply for this year, okay. Yeah. But we do want to emphasize something here. There is a master category that is open.
Oh yeah, that's the new thing.
Yeah, so there's a masters category there, and that is eligible for people who have won this competition in the past or have won something in the intermediate section. So like by all means make your build up to master quality, but just know that if you are not entered into the masters, that is why. Because you have to kind of qualify, or not qualify, you have to own it.
You can also just enter into any of the categories if you want to jump in. So,
you can enter into intermediate. Masters is definitely for people who have like placed before.
Well, we keep it open up to, you know.
Okay, well, if that's the case, then I'm going to be incredibly strict on you, and you're going to hate us.
Yeah, masters, we are very like anal. We look at every single pixel in your photos. So make sure when you submit photos, make sure it's at least 3,000 pixels.
Guys, I would even go as far as to say if it's not up to snuff, we'll disqualify it and put you down in intermediate.
So yeah, we could. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, anyway, look out for that, guys. Yeah.
Cool. Otherwise, we got some exciting stuff hopefully coming soon. But if you haven't checked it out, we also have a whole bunch of new MadWorks as well that you can check out, MadWorks tools and things. So check it out, and we hope that you're having a rad one and staying warm. And until the next one.
Until the next one, guys. Remember,
be good to yourselves.
Be good to each other, and keep
building joy.
Until the bride. Hey, is the bride ready?
Bride.
Is the bride ready?
Why is the bride not ready?